Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off improve harmful app protection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on app security and then click on Google Play Protect. Now here click on the settings icon and here you will be able to see a improve harmful app detection button. So if you want to turn off improve harmful app detection, then turn off this button. And if you want to turn on improve harmful app detection, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off improve harmful app protection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.